You ready for food? Yeah? You ready for breakfast? Okay. Hey, we gotta get it in. Yum yums. That is huge for a paste tomato. That's the Oregon Star. Love it. Okay, let's get these guys. Oh yeah. Oh, that was fun. You just missed it. There was a hummingbird just floating, buzzy, making those noises, kind of getting a little perturbed with me. So, yeah, he went over here and there and then up into the trees, and I didn't get it filmed. Sorry. Anyway, today it's going to be fun. So last spring, I planted some russet potatoes and I made a film of it. So if you want to watch that video, look back. I'll try to figure out how to get it on the screen at the end of the video. Don't know how to do that yet. But if you'd like to watch it, finish this one through, please, so I can get credit for it, and then you can go watch that video. Anyway, so today we are going to harvest those russet potatoes, and because, well, the chickens have been trying to destroy the plants through the fence, and yeah, let's get those up before it's too late. What the heck, you little stinker? You little stinker! How did you get out? Huh? How did you get out? Goofy, let's get that off of you. Why is the grass always greener on the other side, honey? Yeah? Clean you up? What a good girl. What a good girl. Not. Okay, how did you... Oh, I see how you got out. I see how you got out. Yes, come on. In you go. Whew. Okay, girls. Oh, there's already one right there. Okay, gonna put them in this guy, so because this is the guy I'm going to put the potatoes on so they have air and they can cure. But for now, we're just gonna throw it in. Okay, so let's do this. There it is.
There's one thing I love about harvesting potatoes. It's like a treasure hunt.
It's a medium size.
I think this year was the best harvest I ever had. No more grow bags for me. No more buckets. In raised beds for sure.
Here you go, sweeties. Sorry. You're right there. Okay. No, you can't have those.
And definitely this year I got some bakers. Some huge potatoes for sure.
Wow, that's a big one. Hey, girls. Yeah. No. Another one. Yes, with a bunch of morning glory. So that's attached. Okay. Oh, I think I like russets. Easy to prepare too, just make them baked potatoes. Or make them mashed potatoes.
So in conversation, my husband brought up that it would be cool if we grew more potatoes because, well, he likes his meat and potatoes.
Wow. That's just one plant. Okay. And there's one in there. This is another plant. We'll get that dug up. So I need to get this done soon because it's going to get up to 99 degrees today and I'm already sweating. So, and I want an indoor kitchen day. I have a meal I want to prep using all the tomatoes and zucchinis from the garden and potatoes.
Last year, my husband had bought me this drip system to put into the raised beds, and it works great. However, you got to untangle it through all the vines of the potatoes.
I'll give you a whole big bundle on the end, okay? All right.
Being the girls, the chickies, love the potato vines through the fence, I decided to give them a whole mess of it all at once I was done.
My plan in the end of this, once I amend the bed again, I'm going to plant garlic. I'm going to freeze dry what I have from this year's harvest and powder it, and then the ones that are the perfect ones, the larger of the cloves, are going to be the ones I plant. Oh, yes. You get out of there. Oh my word. Nice.
The heat is starting to get to me by now, but The more I dig, the more potatoes I get, the more excited I get.
I know this is not going to be the best video ever, but I'm having a lot of fun. So next year, I might do way more russets. Really, honey? Yeah? Stop. Okay. I have another corner. The reason why I want to do a bigger bed is because these are too small. I don't have enough potatoes to last even to January. So we'll see how long they last. Nice one. So far I haven't stabbed any. That's good. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. Stop it. Get this out of the way. Okay, that one's still attached. That one is not. You're just all for it, aren't you? I think we're good. If potatoes grow here next year because I forgot one, so be it. Going to give the girls their potatoes. There's a little bit of babies there. So I think this was a seed potato, or maybe I accidentally chopped one earlier in my first harvest. But I want to show you. Those darn squirrels, that's a peanut. Anyway, pretty good harvest, I would say. Very good. For 2 people, that will do. Okay, so here's my setup. I put the harvest items in here to get airflow so they can cure. And right here is where I'm going to put potatoes. What I did is I have this crate, but I also have this guy that you put in like seedling trays. You get them from the store when you buy seedlings, and I kind of ended up with a few, so I'm going to use that because it has airflow. I'm going to put the potatoes right here. But first I'm going to set you down and do it, and then I'll show you the end result. I decided to do 2 crates of potatoes, and see, I started with the bigger ones and I ran out of room, so we're going with the smaller ones over here. And the reason why we want to cure these before we put them in storage is because, see that? That won't store very long. You have to get them to harden up. So we're going to keep them out here with the airflow, let them harden up, and then we'll store them. So hopefully the squirrels won't get to them or any other critters while they're out here, because I'm going to keep them out here probably about 2 weeks. Did you get the squirrel? Did you get the squirrel? Okay, this video is not turning out the way I expected it. I figured it would be pretty and majestic, and you know, this morning everything was in the shade, so I had good lighting, and then the sun came out as soon as I started harvesting. So it is what it is. Oh, remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless, and have an awesome day. And I'm going inside to take a shower. Until next time, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it.